Hey guys, are you looking to alternative to Loom? So then this is the one, Komodo. So this particular tool allow you to record your screen. Same time, it also create detailed guide of your steps. So let's see how you can go and use this particular tool. So I have already access to the tool. First it asks me to add a Chrome extension. So let's add a Chrome extensions. So you can go here, add Chrome, add extension. Once the extension done, you can come here, you can pin it. Okay, now half part of job is done. So now let's show you how to record the screen. So once you click here record button, you need to give allow access. You can give allow access to the camera, you can off it. And now what you can do is you can come. Now let's, you have option, three options are there. First is record only, second one is recording plus guide, third is guide only. So three options are there, three ways you can record with this particular tool. So let's start with the recording only. So here let me show you. Let's click record only. Now it's asking for the screen to share, so let's share the screen and asking for the mic. So I can give the mic connections too. So now you can see that the recording screen is getting recorded, so you can record all those things. So in this stage it's a recording only. So now I can stop recording, click on the stop recording, and voila, you got a unique link of this recording which you can share with your audience. So this is the way how it works. So this is the, you can give the name of this particular section, so you can just give demo, so you can save, and when you save this it goes to your folder, all the files, whatever the things is there, it's completely everything goes here. So you can add into folder all those sections. So I haven't created any folder yet. Now you can see that demo one video is here, so now you can play it. Now you can see that how it's playing. Connections too. So you can see the sound is recorded, all those things you can play. Let's mute it and let's play. See, all the things is done. So that's the thing. And now you can copy the link and share with your audience. So when you share, let me open this same thing in incognito window, and now you can see that anyone can use this link, and they can give, they can rating, they can give all the comments, they can add all things in real time, you can see. So that's the first way how you can use Komodo. Second way of using is, let's record it. Click on the record button and there is an option like record with guide. So now this time I'm going with a guide recording. So now let's record, asking for the screen. So now you can see that whichever section I click, so open video, if I click this one, it goes here. And below, if I click somewhere, if I click anywhere, any clickable link is there, so download free, so I click that, and then start a free, I click that. So let's click this one. So I'm clicking all these actions. Now what, now I will come and I will stop recording. So when I stop recording, now you see that I get video as well as guide as a PDF form. So now you can see that. So I can save this as a demo 2, save and continue. Now you can see that I get the copy of content wherever I got clicked, all those sections is there, and I can come here, I can edit all these things, I can edit, I can write something like I can, if I want, I can write these things again and again, and I can save. You can see that I can give full content details over here. So this is the way how you can use this particular tool. So now recording guide, which you want to share, I wanted to share guide, then copy the link. If you wanted to share the recording, you can copy the link. So that's the way how you can share. So this is the another way of using Komodo. And the third use is, you can only record screen, means only record guide. So you can come here, you can record guide only if you wanted to share with. Once you click on this guide, and now you can click wherever you will click, that will take you to the next page. Okay, so download free, so taking you to the next page. So that's the way how it's going to record things. So now you will see this, and let's close this, and now you able to see this is the guide only. So guide demo, save and continue, and come to recording, go to guide, and you can see that demo guide I have created, 5-step demo guide. Now you can use this guide to share with your audience, and you get the link and you can share this. So this is the one of the tool I really liked, and I wanted to show you an offer running on AppSumo, which is like only $19 for this particular product, this particular feature. And it comes with a lot of features unlimited data storage, lifetime access, all future professional plan update, no code no stacking, you must activate within 4 license tier, and everything is like anonymously. You can record videos, track video engagement, video editing you can even do. And even they are coming up with the app, mobile app, iOS and Android, where you can share this. So I really like this tool, and you can grab this tool before is out of the deal. So go check out the link in the bio or the description, and go and get this link. And thanks for watching. Hope this particular tool help you to increase your sales or team collaborations, or your client coordinations. All those things can be used by this particular tool. So grab this offer. It's a very limited time offer, so don't miss out. Grab this, the link is in bio, and see you guys in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.